Okay, so I look like a mess, but that's okay because that kind of goes with the theme of this video. As you guys know, I'm definitely trying to kind of clean up my life a little bit. And one of the areas where I feel like I already have some good systems in place, but I could definitely stand to improve, which I feel like would actually impact my everyday, is my house. It is Sunday today. And normally on Sundays is kind of like our Sunday reset day as a family. So we always do the chores. Basically, yeah, the whole day is kind of like spent on the chores and looking at the next week. And I thought that I would show you guys kind of what that looks like. One of the things that we did for the chores that I feel like is super, super helpful is make a chores list. We wrote down all of the different chores that we would want to get done on Sundays. Every single Sunday, we get out that chores list and we literally check off every single item. And what I think this accomplishes is it takes a lot of the thinking out of the chores process. So you're not thinking about what do you still need to do. You're not thinking about what have you done. Oh, I was cleaning this or I was doing that. Especially when you have kids, I think you can you jump in and out of things. So I think it's really good. I think it's really good too if you are both working on the chores. If you live with somebody else, then it's really easy to know who's done what. And I feel like it just makes it so much cleaner. One thing though that I have noticed is that I have a paper sheet that I print out that we check off. I didn't do it last week and I'm procrastinating doing it right now. I don't like printing it out. There's some sort of hang up for me about printing this list. And even though that sounds so first world problem and so lazy, I think part of actually improving yourself is really looking at where you have these hang-ups and being okay with the fact that you have it. Like, yes, that is extremely lazy. Like, I don't want to go print something. But then you start thinking about it and you're like, okay, why don't I want to go print it? Okay, because I have to get my computer, I have to go in the basement, the printer's not on, the printer hasn't been working, right? So there are all these hangups in this system that are kind of holding me back from being as quick and successful and easy to get things done that I want to get done. And I think that's like a theme that I'm trying to implement in my life is really making things simple. If there is a hang up and there is a reason that things aren't working and having a flow and working how I envisioned them or intended them to work in my life, then I want to see what I can do to change that. That all being said, I think I just need to laminate the list. It would take the printing out of it. So that is going to be a goal. I was going to have that be a goal for today, but I just don't know if that's going to be practical. So maybe we try to get that done this week. But Sunday reset, I'm ready for it. I need it. I think it's really important. So let's get it done. Okay, so now that I printed out the chores, I wanted to actually kind of talk to you guys about them. This is what our chores list looks like. You will see that it is very detailed. That is probably the first thing that you will notice. We have found that it's really nice to have each individual item listed out because it helps us keep track and make sure that we're doing everything. So you will also notice that on Sundays, like our big chores list, we have 2 of those. We used to have 4, now we have 2. We have that because we have things that need to be done bi-weekly. It is nice if you do end up having 4 because then you can put stuff that needs to be done monthly, like some of those bigger projects, but that's how we used to be before kids, but or before 2 kids, but now that we have 2, we just have bi-weekly lists. Do whatever seems right to you. Like if you're just getting started in your Sunday reset journey, you're just getting started in cleaning your space, you need to just kind of find a level that gives you that clear sense of mind. I really think that clean space is clean mind, or clear space, clear mind, whatever the phrase is. I really believe in that, and I really think that whatever makes you feel good, just do that amount of stuff. This isn't supposed to make you feel stressed out. This is supposed to make you feel really good. So definitely adjust the list accordingly. Now, you'll also notice on our list that there is a place for other and there's a place for restock. So other is where we put the stuff that is going to be things that we'd like to get done that day. So for example, just recently, maybe it was taking down the Christmas lights, or maybe if it's in the summer, maybe it's planting something, or anything that we're looking to get done around our house extra, we'll put in the other category. And then for restock, that's all of the items that, I guess this would only be applicable if you live in a situation like where we buy things maybe more in bulk, and then we have it in our basement or in the garage, and then we we bring it into the house. I really do think that this is an important element of it, because I think that the whole point of this Sunday reset is to make your week so easy and make it just feel super simple and, you know, just as easy as can be when you're busy with work and kids and all that. You can hear one of them over there. And doing this restock is really nice because we'll get things like paper towel, Kleenex, diapers, formula, all that kind of stuff. We'll bring all of that upstairs at the beginning of the week. We'll do a little touch up on Wednesday, which I'll show you. But for the most part, we bring things up. We're good until the next Sunday. Then we don't have to be when there's 2 kids crying, or, you know, you're just like trying to hop and do something really quick in between a work call or whatever it is. That's all up here, and you don't have to run all the way downstairs to the basement. It seems like it wouldn't make a big difference, but it does. That being said, that's kind of how our chores list actually works. I really think the lamination is going to be me taking it to the next level, as nerdy as it is. So I'm going to go get a couple chores done, and then I will talk to you guys in a little bit where I'm going to put in a hair mask. You can kind of get into a little bit more of the yummy part of the Sunday reset. It's about resetting your house, but it's also kind of about like resetting you and all that. Talk to you guys a little bit more about the Sunday reset while I put in a hair mask. The goal of like Sunday for us is for everybody in our family to be showered and in a clean bed, feeling good about their space and like good about the week coming up. That's just like the goal. And so I feel like now that it takes me the whole day to get the chores done pretty much, why wouldn't I just do my masks and kind of like a whole reset for myself as well? So right now I'm using the Way treatment mask because I have to use a sample because I just ran out of my other hair mask that I was using, which was the Briogeo. Let me see if I still have it. Briogeo Be Kind, or Be Gentle, Be Kind. This one is good. I like this more in the summer. I really like the same brand, the pink one, the Don't Despair Repair or something. That one's good. But right now I'm just using this little Way one because I don't have anything else. Yeah, so like I said, I feel like it's a little bit more about feeling good. Not only getting our space feeling good, but also getting us feeling good. And for me, that includes a weekly hair mask. I use a lot. Or I feel like I use a lot. Maybe I don't. The smell of this is really good, so I don't mind putting it in my hair for the whole day. All right, hair mask is in. I normally just concentrate that down at the ends and like mid-lengths, and then I'll just take the excess and put it up here. I don't know what's been going on, but my hair and scalp is so oily, like so oily, that I'm not adding to it because maybe that's the wrong thing to do, but I don't think we need any more moisture up there at all. So, all right. Back to the chores. Got the goods. Yay. Hello everyone. Happy Wednesday. I am picking up my laminations. See how they look. Oh, they look so good. Oh, I'm so excited. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay, all my different chores lists are laminated now. Yay! Gosh, okay, this parking lot is crazy. You know what I'm realizing though? Is that I don't have any dry erase markers. So I'm gonna go and grab some of those across the street. And then we will have a little touch base catch up because it's really needed. So, see you in a minute. Okay, now I actually got the goods. I'm all set to start using my new little laminated chores lists. How exciting! Oh, you guys, it has been a lot. It has only been a couple days and I'm already feeling really run down. The season that my life is in right now is I'm not going to be able to keep my house clean. I'm not going to be able to have this like perfect week. That's just not going to be the situation. So I really need this midweek cleanup, and I really feel like I needed these little laminated lists to like perk up my life today. It's been a lot. No, but all seriousness, I do feel really overwhelmed. I feel like I really do need like something in the middle of the week to kind of just reset. There's no way that I'm going to be making it all the way till Sunday. I really try to keep this midweek thing super, super easy so that it's something that I will do. I feel like if you put too much in the middle of the week, when you're busy and you have things coming up, because things are inevitably going to come up, it's so easy to just put it off if it's this huge long list. But if it's just a couple things, then I feel like it feels super doable. So the kids are napping. I'm going to go home. I'm going to try to get some of these chores that are quiet done, and then I'll do the other ones later when they are awake. And then hopefully tonight when I go to bed, maybe I won't feel quite as good as I did on Sunday, but maybe I will feel like, okay, I've got this. I can get through the next few days until Sunday again. And as maybe depressing as this sounds to some people that are watching this, this is where I'm at in my life. Like, this is just how things are right now. They're overwhelming. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of moving parts. And to just be able to feel that sense of calm and at least once or twice a week, it's just really important to me. So anyways, I'm really excited about these laminations, and I'm excited to hopefully feel a little bit better tonight. Let's go home. Let's clean our space, and let's get back to a good mental place, because so far this week, we're not there. But maybe we can finish out the week strong and go into the weekend feeling good. That's my hope. So. Okay, we are done. I actually am feeling a lot better. So I think that goes to show that this is really working for me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed kind of watching me clean my house and seeing how I do a weekly reset of my space as well as for my mind. I really do think, especially with working from home and being more in our house during the winter, that it's just so important to have your space feel calm and feel inspiring. And if yours doesn't, I definitely urge you to make your space feel that way, because I really feel like it does impact my mental health on a daily basis. And I genuinely do feel like having a clean space is something that's super essential when you want to reach goals and you want to change your life. Like I titled this video, I'm cleaning up my life and I'm starting with my space. I feel like if you are looking to clean up your life just like I am, this is a really awesome place to start. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.